unboxing and first impressions of a Samsung mid-range smartphone in the F series, the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So last year Samsung had a few devices under the F series. Now this is the first device in 2022, the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G, and this is the F series device with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor. You get 5G bands, and you also get a 120Hz refresh rate, a 50 megapixel triple camera setup, and a 5000 mAh capacity battery with 25 watt fast charging. So it's a really good package all around. We are not really sure about the pricing of this device because at the time of unboxing, pricing is not yet announced, but we'll update in the comment section or in the title. So this device looks like a good package overall. So this is a device with pretty good hardware included in the mid-range segment, so we expect the pricing to be somewhere close to 20,000 rupees. So this is the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So let's get started with the unboxing of this device. We'll show you the box contents, we'll show you camera details, display, software, and everything about the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So let's get started. Before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the box packaging of the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. Now the specialty of this box is that it's a very slim box packaging. Now there is no adapter in this, that's no charger included in the box packaging. So this is probably the first device in the mid-range series to offer without a charger. Now it comes with a full HD plus resolution display, 120Hz refresh rate. It's a TFT panel. You get a triple camera setup, 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel rear camera. You get the Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor, and you also get a 5000 mAh capacity battery. So we'll talk about all the features of this device once we unbox the device. So this is the box packaging, very slim box package. So opening up the box, you get the device. So let's just keep the device aside for a minute. There's nothing else in this box. Now here you get a box. Let's see what all comes inside. You get the SIM ejector pin, and some manual and warranty information is included. So you can see here, this is the cable. We have a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Then you get the regional and other information guide. You can see here there is a dedicated SD card included in the box packaging. So SIM 1, SIM 2 and a dedicated SD card included. So this is the manual, and other information is included here. So let's just go to the device and open the device. So this is the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. Now design wise, it definitely looks good. You can see that the camera placement, the matte finish back panel, it's a polycarbonate material, but it looks definitely better. The build quality is really good. You get the Samsung branding here. This is the blue color variant of the device. Now we have the side mounted fingerprint scanner, the volume rocker keys, and here we have the SIM tray. So we'll just open the SIM tray and show you one time. So this is having a dedicated SD card slot. So you can see here dedicated SD card slot is included. So that's something which is pretty good. So you get an expansion slot in case you want to use the memory card. Now at the bottom you get a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, a speaker unit here, and the top you don't have any openings or slots. So that's the design aspect. You get this triple camera setup. It's a 50 plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera, and LED flash is included. So let's just boot the device, and I will show you the other aspects. So now we have booted the device, and you can see the large display, and this is a 120Hz refresh rate. It's a TFT panel, and you get this V notch included. Now let's see the display quality. You can see that the touch response feels very smooth. The colors are quite okay, although it's not as good as the AMOLED, but it's still definitely good in terms of colors. And viewing angles are also quite good. You can see that there is no issue with colors. Even with viewing angles, it's really good in terms of color reproduction, even when you tilt the display. And you get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 support on this device. That's pretty good again. A mid-range device, and Gorilla Glass 5 is offered. So display quality is good. The touch response also feels very smooth actually, and 120Hz refresh rate adds to the smoothness. So if you go to the display, you get the option here, adaptive or motion smoothness. You get standard, that's 60 Hz, and adaptive smoothness, which is 120 Hz refresh rate. So that's the display quality. Now talking about the software. So this device comes with Android 12. That's again a good thing. Most of the mid-range devices still come with Android 11, but Samsung has offered Android 12. Now you can see the software information, Android 12, One UI 4.1. So you get the knock security, the secure folder, and all the goodies what comes with the One UI is offered here, One UI 4.1. and you can see Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. We have the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and this is powered by the Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor. So software wise this is good actually. In fact you get the full UI. You also get Samsung Pay option with NFC support, and that's good thing because you have this Samsung Pay offered here. So that's the software experience. There are few pre-installed apps which you can probably uninstall as well. So that's the Samsung's UI. So next let's move on to the camera experience. You get a triple camera setup. We have the 50 megapixel Samsung sensor. It's a JN1 sensor. You get the portrait mode, then video recording. Let's go and check the options. You can see here full HD 30 fps and 4K at 30 fps, both are supported. And here we get additional modes like night mode, pro mode, slow motion, super slow motion is there, hyperlapse, macro mode is also included. So these are the camera options, and in video recording, as I said before, 4K at 30 fps is also supported. So let's quickly have a look at some of the samples you have taken with this device. So these are some of the samples. The camera definitely looks promising. We'll have a detailed camera review later once we check out the camera in detail. So in our first impression, the camera definitely looks good. So we'll have more on the camera later. So stay tuned for that. Now this device comes with a 5000 mAh large capacity battery, and you get a 25 watt fast charging support, but the charger is not included in the box package, so you have to buy it separately. So Samsung has a 25 watt fast charger, so if you buy that you get the 25 watt charging support on this. That's a fast charger support, and this has a 5000 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to last like 1.5 to 2 days based on the usage. So we are expecting pretty good performance because Snapdragon 750G is quite a good chip in this price segment, 8nm manufacturing process, so it's quite good in terms of battery life as well. So that's the battery aspect of this device. So that was the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. It's a new mid-range device from Samsung, and overall just let's have a look at the overall aspects. You get a full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 750G octa-core processor, 128GB storage, then you get Android 12, One UI 4.1. Now display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. You get a triple camera setup, 50 plus 8 plus 2, an 8 megapixel selfie camera, 5000 mAh capacity battery, and 25 watt charging is supported, but the box does not have a charger. So that's the quick aspects about the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So while making this unboxing video, we are not really sure about the pricing, so we'll update the pricing once it is launched, and we'll get to know about the pricing after the launch. So we'll update in the comment section or in the title. So this is a pretty good mid-range device looking at the specs. So we'll have to test more to say how the experience is, and is it really good package for the price segment. But in our first impression, we feel this is definitely a good device in the F series from Samsung with quite competitive hardware as well. So that was an unboxing and hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.